listen up, y'all. I was at Home Depot earlier. The 8-inch pruning chainsaw from Ryobi. This is the brushed version. It was on sale for $50. I think it was like $120 before that. But look at this thing. It's 18 volts, runs with those batteries. It has the 8-inch bar on it. This thing looks pretty fantastic, especially for only 50 bucks. But is it worth it? Well, that's what we're going to be checking out today. But first, check this out. If we take a look right here, it has onboard storage. So you can see that's the tool that you need for loosening, changing out everything that you need. It's right here. You have a nice guard right here. You can see everything is just easy. It's a top handle on the top. You pull this down, you press that button. It has everything standard right through here. Obviously it runs off the battery, and this is where all of your tensioning and everything else is. Rubber overmolding. It feels good, it looks good, but can it cut? This is going to be a difficult cut. This is a maximum cut. In fact, I think it's bigger than what it should be. But can we cut it? Let's go ahead and see. Wow, that was amazing. How is the one-handed control? Easy and light. You can hold it out. Easy peasy. All right, so this thing cut so much better than I thought it was going to cut. One of the things about it is it didn't bog down. Now this is a brushed model of the actual 8-inch pruner, but I gotta say, it did phenomenal and it didn't bog. I pushed it really hard, and you're only supposed to cut, I think, 6 inches is the maximum diameter, I believe, that you can cut. That was more than that, and I maximized the blade all the way up to here, and it did phenomenal. I think for 50 bucks, you're not going to go wrong. So get out to Home Depot while they still have them in stock. I hope that this helped someone. If it did help someone, please go ahead and hit that like button. Comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell. And get out there. Go build something. Try something new. Make mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. And then pass the solutions on to the next generation. We will all be better for it. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. Take care.